Following last weekend, Friday night.
Ask me later.
Yes,
Ask me later.
indeed. He was in charge for that game between Cardiff and Ulster. We are underway. Plenty to play for, including Pride. Sharks have a big European semi-final charge down. Johnny Williams. Lousy. Offside. Free play here for the Scarlets. Bread and butter. For him. Indeed it is. Scarlets with the first point, 3-0. Right to the back. Lavashachne's missed, but Van Heerden gets it. Grant Williams. Lucanio arm with the pass to Fassi. Fassi to Koch. Koch pins his ears back, and he will not be stopped.
Watch the quality of this pass from Fassi.
Well worked. Just look at this, over the top. That's pre-planned. It's not an overthrow. It creates the extra man, but they still got to get quick hands. That's the overhead pass that Richie Rees is on about. It puts Koch in space. An easy finish for the winger in the end. Beautifully created, and one you have to feel straight out of the analysis room.
Yeah, they've clearly worked on it in a week. How's your tail of the line out defending? And then it's this pass from Fassi. He knows Johan Nicholas is bringing a load of line speed. He needs to get a high elbow and whip that ball up and down. And he puts it in front of Koch.
Tells him he has half a minute left to kick. You'll be able to see in the scoreboard on the right hand side as well. There is that little red counter. 2 Costello penalties. The Sharks try. It's a 1-point game. They go right, the numbers were left. Costello has very little option, so he sticks his head down. Johnny Williams back against the grain. Good angle by Lousy. Ryan Elias with the spirit of Ken Owens upon the Scarlets.
It's great to see him go. Lousy is an offload merchant. Had a lot to Lou Elias. And his momentum and slide carried him over. Great score.
Yeah, really, really positive from the Scarlets. Initially from Johan Nicholas, but again, what I like about it, how patient they were. They made the initial line break, and then
Etzebeth tried to pick and go. Forwards keeping it tight. Look how close they are. There's hands on the ball. Elias told to step back.
It's just a question of which big man, isn't it? Scarlets brave at the moment.
And that man is Vincent Koch. It had to come. No messing from the Sharks. Johan Nicholas is on fire this evening.
Costello's hurt.
Costello is down. Matthias with the carry. Etzebeth holds him up. Matthias claims he's got there. Wainwright agrees. The referee will go upstairs. So who won that little mini battle? Was it Kemsey Matthias or Evan Etzebeth?
And that's a try for me, Rich.
Looks like he's got it, but it won't start.
I have a decision. The ball is clearly grounded on the line by Red. Overturn your on-field decision. You're back on camera.
That's just what the Scarlets needed, though. We talked at half-time around. They need to gamble to the Scarlets, and they've done it twice.
Some shots coming in from the Scarlets, but they've got to get back on their feet and do it all over again because the Sharks keep coming. Crossfield kick. Who's there? It's Koch with a step. Koch with a finish. His second. And the Sharks third. And it's a crossfield kick by Sia Masuku.
They've been driving it up one man now. Good defence from the Scarlets, but there's loads of space. You can see Werner Koch just holds his width. Costello can't make it across there. The line was narrowed, Rich.
Yeah, we talked around it already, how narrow and tight the Scarlets' defensive line are, but what I appreciate is Masuku, watch his technique on this kick. He slows his feet down. Watch his finishing position. It's excellent from Masuku. The inside step from De Kock, and they're in at the corner.
Fell asleep at the wheel, but no. Penalty coming.
Scarlets, leave it!
Sharks looking to seal it. If they don't win from here, they will kick themselves because they've turned down easy penalties. They've fluffed their lines already, but Koch for the hat-trick! Deja vu!
Talk about skill execution, but look at the timing on this. He knows it's there. There's 3 Scarlets defenders. Again, it's skill execution, but it's the effect of having Werner Koch in that wide channel. You have to have someone holding your 5-metre channel to give you width, give that defensive line something to defend.
I know he scored a hat-trick, Werner Koch, but he won't have 3 easier tries. He's been put on a plate. 2 beautiful kicks from Masuku, 1 amazing pass from Fassi. Yes, he has to be there, and he's executed. Well done to Werner Koch, but fair play to Masuku. How didn't Hardy score?
Mapimpi saved the day. There's another drive for the Scarlets. Keep their heads. They can still get something from this game. Johan Nicholas! Nicholas is there! Do we have a grandstand finish?
So we're looking for a knock-on by Red 15 in the act of scoring.
5 years to the day tomorrow, says Johan Nicholas last got a try for the Scarlets.
Well, has he got it down? On-field decision try. Looking for a knock-on in the build-up. That's down.
There we go.
Mike,
the wait is over.
15 has scored, stick with your on-field decision and award the try.
You can't say he hasn't scored
Hang
in
on,
5
I'll tell you when
years,
you're on
Gar,
camera.
because it's 4 years, 364 days.
4 years,
Yeah, back on
364
camera.
days. Here we go then.
Well
He
done.
spoke too soon.
Brilliant, brilliant break.
They want ball back to the Scarlets,
Back foot, Sam, back foot.
but the Sharks will get it off the field and get the win. Sean Hawley, play the match, please.
I'm speechless.